Once upon a time in a sunny meadow, there lived a cunning wolf who watched over a little lamb, thinking of how he could trick it. The crafty wolf thought to himself, "If I can outsmart that innocent lamb, I will have a tasty meal for dinner." With a friendly tone, the wolf called out, "Hello there, little lamb. Would you like to come play with me in the sunshine?" The lamb, thrilled by the prospect of a new friend, happily replied, "Oh yes, I would love to play. What games do you have in mind?" The wolf proposed, "Let's play hide and seek. I have the perfect spot for you to hide, behind those trees over there." The little lamb excitedly dashed off towards the trees, and the wolf began to count his heart racing with anticipation as he thought about his plan.